Hello and welcome to our channel. We're glad to have you here. At EVA PACK Machinery, we specialize in innovative filling, sealing, capping, and packaging solutions designed to make your business more efficient and reliable. On this channel, you'll find detailed insights into our latest machines, technical demonstrations, and expert guidance to help you choose the right equipment for your industry. If you're passionate about advanced packaging technology and want to stay updated with the latest trends, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and join us on this journey of innovation. Now, let's get started with today's video. Double Head Dry Syrup Powder Filling Machine. Today, we are excited to showcase the automatic Double Head Dry Syrup Powder Filling Machine, a high-performance solution designed for pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industries. This machine is specially engineered to fill dry syrup powder accurately into bottles and containers with the help of its double head auger filling system. It ensures high speed, precision, and minimum powder wastage, making it ideal for bulk production. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. At EVA PACK Machinery, we're committed to delivering quality packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel for the latest innovations and industry updates.